Merhaba arkadaşlar. Today I will tell about the suffixes ji, j, ju, ju or chi, ch, chu, chu. If the last vowel of the word is a, we will use j or ch. If it's A or E, we will use G or G. If it's O or U, we will use Ju or Ju. If it's O or U, we will use Ju or Ju. Here are some of the examples I have given. Sharper means song, sharper means finger. Sharper has the last vowel a, so we will use j. I will later tell about when to use j. First we will learn about when to use and how to use j. Oyun means game or toy. Oyuncu means actor or player. Oyun has the last vowel u, so we will use ju. Football means football. Footballcu means footballer. Football has the last vowel O, so we will use Ju. Öğren means study or learn. Öğrenci means student or learner. Öğren has the last vowel A, so according to the rule, you will see we will use G. Gazete means newspaper. Gazeteci means journalist. The last vowel of the word gazete has A, so we will use according to the rule G. Muhasabe means accounting. Muhasabeci means accountant. Same rule. The word has last vowel A, so G will be used. Taxi means taxi. Taxici means taxi driver. Taxi has the last vowel E, so according to the rule, we will use G. Tasaram means design. Tasaramja means designer. So the last vowel is A, so according to the rule, J will be used. Tamir means repair. Tamirji means repairman. Tamir has the last vowel E, so G will be used. In Turkish language, we use the suffixes chi, cha, chu, chu if the word ends with fastakcha shahad, one of the letters in this. It can be either se, ke, che, she, se. Ish means work or job. Ishchi means worker. Ish has the last letter she and the last vowel E, so according to the rule, G will be used. Balak means fish. Balakcha means fisherman. Balak has the last letter K and the last vowel E, so according to the rule, Ch will be used. Dish means teeth. Dishji means dentist. Dish has the last letter she, and the last vowel E, so according to the rule, G will be used. Çiçek means flower, çiçekçi means florist. Çiçek has the last letter K and last vowel A, so according to the rule, G will be used. Electric means electricity, electrikçi means electrician. Electric has the last letter K and last vowel E, so according to the rule, G will be used. Kayak means key, kayakçı means gear. Kayak has the last letter K and last vowel A, so according to the rule, J will be used. Inshaat means build, inshaatçı means builder. Inshaat has the last letter T and last vowel A, so according to the rule, J will be used. Sanat means art, sanatçı means artist. Last vowel A and last letter T, so J will be used. Please watch, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. İyi Günler.